Right, let's see. In this part, I'm going to show you how you can do summation, that is the sigma notation, using your Microsoft Word. All right, let's impute the value, or the let's impute the symbol of the summation, which is the sigma notation. If you want to do sigma notation using the Microsoft Word, you don't actually need to stress yourself. Just get your FX for quick imputation, or you can actually go to the mathematics. You go to mathematics, you get your summation symbol. You can see them here. So whatever you want to do, just impute it here and you are good to go. But I don't want to use this for quick imputing of my equation. I always use my FX software. It makes my imputation very fast. So if I just type SIGMA, this is sigma open bracket, see the symbol of sigma has come out. Then I want to do a simple sigma notation work. Let's say I want to start from x equals to 1. Then you put your comma. Then I'm going to stop at, let's say, x equals to 3. See, it has come on top here. Then you close your bracket. Then I'm doing it at, let's say, the equation I want to sum now. Let's type the equation. Let's say I need something like this. Let's say x squared, for example. Let's say x squared minus, let me say minus 1. So this is what I want to do. So I'm okay with this. Then tap on this, take it to Microsoft Word. Then you control and paste, you paste it. So this is a simple sigma notation. Then go to mathematics, come to compute, you see calculate. This is the result. The result is 11. You put your equals to and you are good to go. I can increase the font size. Just come here, get the font size you want, then it will be bold as you want it. So the value of this is actually 11. So let me explain how this came into existence. What this one actually means is that this is an equation. X squared minus 1 is an expression, and you are going to impute the value of 1, x equals to 1, into this place and solve it. And you keep doing it again, x equals to 2 and solve. X equals to, you stop at x equals to 3. So you start from x equals to 1, substitute and solve, get your result. X equals to 2, substitute and solve, get your result. X equals to 3, substitute and solve, get your result. And then you sum all together. That's how we got this 11. Let me just demonstrate it in this place. Let me use the mathematics mode here to do it. Let's come here, let's get the power. We said x squared, let's put our power 2. So when x is 1, we put that minus 1. So this is the first part. You substitute x as 1 here. 1 squared minus 1. Then you go to your compute. See, the result is 0. Put your equals to, tap it here. So this is the first one. Alright. Then let's move to the next line. So let's get mathematics again. Equation. So the same thing. Let's get our power. So the next one, you substitute for 2. When x is 2, you solve for this. So when x is 2 now, so 2 squared minus 1. Then let's go to compute. Calculate. See, the result is 3. Put your equals to, backpaste up. So this is the second one. Alright, let me go to the next line to do the third one. So mathematics again. Get your equation, get your power. So when x squared, when x is 3 minus 1, we go to compute again, calculate. See, the result is 8. Put your equals to, backpaste, and you're okay. So now that you have substituted x as 1, x as 2, x as 3, and you have solved, you got 3. When x is 1, the result is 0. When x is 2, the result is 3. When x is 3, the result is 8. So this value on top here tells you where you are stopping. Then this is where you are starting. X equals to 1 is where you are starting from. Then if you sum 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8, you are going to get 11. That's why this one gave 11. So if we start, for example, let's assume, let me edit this place. Let's assume I start from 3, for example. And let's edit this stuff. Let's assume I will stop at 5, for example. Then this one is false. If you go to mathematics, oh, it didn't give me the condition of this. So let's remove this. So if I compute this one, see my new result is 47. Let's see how it got 47. So what this one actually means is my first value can no longer be 1. I need to start from 3. So my first value start from 3 and stop at 5. So what this one means is 3 square, then the next one is 4 square, then the next one is 5 square. So start from 3 and stop at 5. So when I start from 3, square is 1. Let me remove this and put let's just compute it. I want us to test this Microsoft Word to know how it works. So if I calculate this, you see my result is 8. So if I do for this, let's delete this value. This one is no longer correct. If I compute this, calculate, see my result is 15. Then if I do this one, let's delete this. If I compute this, see my result is 24. So if you check this one, and this is 25 minus 1, 24. This is 16 minus 1, 15. 9 minus 1, 8. If you sum 8 plus 15 plus 24, you will see you are going to get that result as your answer. Your answer is going to be 48. If I do that quickly with my calculator, you will see it here. Let's get our result fast. Alright, let me do that here. Okay. Let me just get it from my equation here. We said 8 plus 15 plus 24. Then just copy it, come to your MS Word, paste it, check the result under mathematics, compute, calculate. See, the result is 47. So this is it. You can increase the font size, go to home. So that is it. So that's how we got this 47. So this is how you do Sigma notation in your Microsoft Word. Very easy and neatly. So if you want to do the product, let me just demonstrate that of product. For that of product, I will also use my FX to impute it. If I want to do product, just type your product here, open your bracket and close. You see the product symbol as comma. So I want to start my product from x equals to 1. Put your comma. Then I will stop at, let me also stop at 3. Then my equation I want to solve, let me say I want to solve x plus 2, for example. This is the expression I want to do this product, starting from 1 and stopping at 3. I've copied it. Go to Microsoft and paste it. So this is it. You can actually get this also when you click on the mouse. Click on this, you will see the symbol of product. Let's find this. You see, this is the symbol of product. You can also do it here, but I like using FX. FX makes my imputing very fast. Then if you type on mathematics, compute, calculate, see the result is 60. So that is the result of this expression. Let me increase the font size so that it will be large for us to view it well. Alright, so the result is 60. So just like the way we did summation, that is sigma notation, is the same thing here. What actually happens here is you substitute 1 here. Let me do it gradually for us to understand. Let me get my mouse also. Let me get my this. Let me impute a value here. Okay. Let me just do it from here. Alright. So this is actually 1 plus 1. Let me see what I have there. Let me see. So we say x plus 2. So 1 plus 2. Tap on this. We come here and paste it. Okay, let me just copy this one. Alright. All right. So the first one is x equals to 1, then the next one is going to be x equals to 2, the next one is going to be x equals to 3. So the result says start from x equals to 1 and stop at x equals to 3. Then when you are through, you know the result for this without wasting time. The result for this is 3. The result for this is 4, while the result for this last one, while the result for this is going to be 5. Then when you multiply 3 times 4, 12, 12 times 5, 60. So that's how we got this 60. So this is for product. So product and sigma notation, you can actually do it with your Microsoft Word and you will enjoy it as a mathematics teacher. So this is all I have for this my presentation on how you can turn your Microsoft Word into a calculator. You can actually do the summation and product, which is the sigma notation, using your Microsoft Word.